Outstanding design defines the 2017 Ford F-150. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the competition. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, and more. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Stop in and take a test drive.